You know you live in the country, right? You see that? Look at it. You know you live in the country. Yeah. Country life, man. You know, it's a little gray outside, but it's peaceful. You know, as it should be. That's why, you know, you try to keep things quiet in your surroundings as well. That way you stay more focused on what you need to do. Because if you have too much noise going on,
it was all good until the egg dropped.
Distractions left, right, up, down, everywhere. You know?
Your brain's on drugs, you need a pill pop.
Quiet the noise, stay focused, get the job done, and you will see results. Oh, and also, always make a plan to do what you need to do.
Music to your head pop.
I'm at this age now, and I'm actually trying to do that at this point. So if you're younger, that'll help you out in the long run a lot faster. Willie B, 9 Wings. See you in the next go round.
Jumping on trampolines, dudes ain't popping in the club in the park.